I left my heart in New York. She had brown eyes and she had skin like gold. How she loved me so. I left my heart in New York. I left my heart where she lay. Her tears were falling, oh, I wish I'd stayed. I'd tell her we'll make it work. I left my heart there with her. I'll be right there if you call. I'll come back. I'm so sorry I left you alone. I thought it just wouldn't work.
It's getting dark so early in New York City. Like 5 p.m. Madilim na, 5 p.m. My last few videos, when my video with Will hit 1 million, I was just overwhelmed. YouTube is such a learning process. It's hard to stick to it when like you're putting so much effort. That's why I need to like not put too much effort into my videos. This is why I'm trying this dynamic where I'm just talking to you guys like this. Ay, nako, yung balat ko. Anyways, the world is my oyster. I'm here in New York City. One of the main reasons why I moved to New York City, if you know that, I don't know if it's a poem or a quote, it's called Sunscreen. Look it up on YouTube. It says, move to Los Angeles, but leave before it makes you soft. And move to New York and leave before it makes you hard. I'm excited to see what version of myself will come out. Let me know whatever you guys want to do and let's do it together. I can bring you to spots you've always wanted to go to. Anyways, I'm seeing everything, also majority of the things here for the first time. But yeah, New York has music. Let me know in the comment section if you support the fact that I love singing and I should sing more. Painting, so there's actually a school that I've been going to on the weekends, and there's such a variety of people out here. I always say I love the subway because it's like the big equalizer. Everyone rides the subway, no matter what class you are, no matter what race you are, no matter what you're going through in life. There are so many people that are on that train, like going through their own shit. As an actor, our job is to observe. The struggle is real, the hustle is real. It's tough, you know. This is an opportunity for me to just find the happiness in just living and being creative, and maybe out of all of this is going to come a story. An actor tells stories. A girl with 2 names taking over New York City. One thing I really love about the whole YouTube community is at the beginning when I had moved to LA, I really felt alone. To just have you guys to communicate with, I think that's what gave me the energy to stay longer, sa totoo lang. Because I felt like I had friends that were cheering me on. And with that said, welcome to my Polly Pocket-sized Manhattan apartment.
How important it is to do that and how much kind of tranquility it's gonna give you. So I'm super happy that it happened.
But yeah, it needs a deep clean, that's for sure.
You know Rudy's Kentucky?
I love that place.
Oh,
heart or your head.
Mother was a flower child dancing in the field. She taught me how to spit out seeds and how to spin a wheel. She told me to be grateful for the sun each every day, 'cause you never know when it's gonna go away. We go hiking through the forest over rocks and little creeks. We stop to see the fairies living in the trees. Sit down by the river where the silky otters play. She'd look up at the sky and she would say, thank you for the moonlight, thank you for the stars, thank you for James Taylor, beat a gold guitar. City, see the buildings and trees. Traffic's always hidden and it's driving me insane. The sun's still shining down on me even when it's gray.
Most of us met you in Triangle of Sadness, even though you have a career that, dates back from that. So tell us a little bit about how your life has changed since Triangle of Sadness. I love seeing you in American Indies, and you have another TV project coming up, Nine Perfect Strangers with Nicole Kidman. So you're very busy, so tell us a little bit about what you're up to.
Well, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I don't wait for calls anymore. I spent my whole life waiting for calls, just sitting and waiting and wondering when is the call gonna come. And sometimes some producers call me the day before a shoot. It was that bad. Or sometimes the day of. But now I have time to prepare. I have time to really, flesh my character out and really study the script. Another big thing also was working with the cast. They're all theater people from Chicago, and I just felt right at home with them. Even if we both came from different, parts of the world, I felt like we all grew up in the same home, and we really connected and understood each other's language and shared the same, ideals. And it was a really special creative process for all of us because we all came from the same background. Especially Kelly had a way of prodding that gently out of us in the most intelligent, caring, and sensitive way. I don't know, did you experience that with her?
I agree with that. I agree with everything you say. Not just about this, but I mean everything.